Volkswagen is paving the way for Europe's largest IPO in a decade. The automaker has published the securities prospectus for an IPO of its Porsche sports car unit. The books for the share sale are open now and have already been covered multiple times. Christoph Rauwald, our Frankfurt bureau chief, joins us for more. And Christoph, it looked like already they came out with a pretty easy valuation to hit 70 to 75 billion. There had been talk of, an 85 or 90 billion dollar valuation, and now this has been oversubscribed. Tell us about the demand.
Yeah, the demand seems to be very strong. I mean, the order books basically just like opened a couple of hours ago this morning here in Frankfurt, and basically, yeah, as you mentioned, the order book has already been oversubscribed basically, and yeah, I think we still have like a week to go. The first day of trading is planned for September 29th, so yeah, really off to a pretty strong start, and I think it does pay off probably that they didn't price it too aggressively, as we discussed yesterday.
Off to a strong start then, Christoph. I mean, the significance of this is difficult to overstate, really, isn't it? The size of this IPO, when we finally see it, Christoph, it could be Europe's largest IPO in more than a decade.
And in an awful market.
Yes, I think. Yeah, in a totally awful market. I mean, Matt, we talked about it over the past few days and weeks, really. I mean, the market conditions could hardly be more difficult, probably. But it also goes to show that Porsche, as a company, has shown over the past few years that it can navigate any crisis scenario relatively well when compared to like direct peers.